So let me show you how to create a Codeweavers account. Now, Codeweavers account allows you to have things like crossover and other applications you might need. Now, the best way to make sure everything is intact is to go to the codeweavers.com website. And before you do anything, create an account. So click on the login button, and then you will see the option new around here, sign up. So click on that one, and then now you can create your account. So you want to put in your full name, your email address, and then put in the password you want to be using. You can choose, or you can have Apple create, or the Apple password manager create a strong password for you. And once it does that, then that's going to be very strong. Verify you're human. You might also want to copy that password just for in case you want to paste it somewhere else, like in the Google Password Manager or somewhere else. This is going to be saved in your iCloud Password Manager. Anyway, once you're done with all that, just go ahead and click on create account, and the account will be created and you'll be logged in immediately. Now, sometimes you might get a verification email, so just check that. If you don't have one, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to create a Codeweavers account. Thanks for watching and good luck.